Welcome to a video demonstration of the Janami programmable router for depaneling circuit boards. This machine is a very user-friendly, high-speed, safe, tabletop router with a very small footprint. It is extremely easy to use, requires minimal maintenance, and is cost-effective when used with boards that are complex shaped, very small, very expensive, and boards that cannot tolerate stress during depaneling. The machine we will see is the JR2403, one of 4 routers in the Janami line. This model has a working area of 400mm by 400mm, while the other models range from 200mm by 200mm to 500mm by 500mm. These routers are sold and serviced exclusively in North America by Fancort Industries. This short video will show how the Janami router will process our demonstration panel and a customer's panel. The router is capable of cutting through any angle or curves because the built-in software does linear interpolation of the various points of movement. The dust and debris are pulled down from the panel into a vacuum box, which has a fixture mounted on top that becomes an integral part of the box. A powerful standalone vacuum system is provided with each router. When the program is run, the vacuum is turned on by a built-in relay. The debris is pulled through the vacuum box and through a hose into the vacuum reservoir. An air ionizer is available that mounts to the spindle motor and eliminates static that can build up with the debris. This makes the vacuum system work more efficiently. Each panel requires a different fixture that is mounted on the primary vacuum box, which is typically the size of the table. Programming of the machine can be done with a very user-friendly teaching pendant with its large 7-line LCD screen. The position of the robot and expanded views of the work points are achieved with the pendant, making it an asset when programming. The software used in the pendant and robot has eliminated the need to learn complicated programming languages. An interactive dialogue-based software allows the user to easily walk through a setup. Using the pendant, the machine can store up to 100 programs or 6,000 work points. A work point is the X, Y, and Z position in the coordinate system of the router head. PC software called JR Points is available as an inexpensive option which allows the user to program the machine using a DXF file. This software allows you to create an infinite number of programs and download them to the robot as needed. The software includes a compiler that converts DXF files into JCS format, which is the robot's resident file. The software also allows you to view all program data in the form of a spreadsheet, and to print, edit, and store offline an unlimited number of programs. Depending on the complexity of the board and the desired cutting tolerances, you can choose to use the pendant or the software. Typical program using the pendant requires the operator to jog the arm in the X, Y, and Z axis work points and enters that point. This is done from work point into work point until the entire panel has been programmed. Panels such as our demo panel with 96 work points take as little as 15 minutes to program. Panels are typically programmed on a dedicated fixture which is supplied by Fancort. Let's see how the Janami router runs the program we've created for our demo panel, and when we're finished we'll see the fixture. took a total. Let's see how the Janome router runs the program we've created for the interpoint panel. Since this panel is only 15 thousandths thick, a correct permanent fixture is required to keep the individual subpanels and individual boards from moving around after being depaneled. For the purposes of this demonstration, we have used double-sided tape as a temporary fixture to keep the subpanels and boards in place. Because of this, we are able to depanel only a limited number of subpanels and boards on this panel. Now, let us see the boards being depaneled. Fixture. For our demonstration purposes, the speed of the machine was set at 1/10 its maximum capability, and we used the maximum Z-axis escape height. Despite these slow movements, the small boards were depaneled in 5 seconds each, and the large boards in 17 seconds each. That concludes a brief demonstration of how the Janome programmable router can quickly separate circuit boards from panels. For more information, a price quote, to discuss fixturing for your panel, or to learn about the full line of Fancort depaneling products, contact Steve Hoover at 1-888-FANCORT. And the Janome 4-axis robot for spot and line soldering. Thank you for watching this video presentation of the Janome programmable router.